Hey guys, what's up? Welcome back to my channel. This is Sneha, and in today's video I'm going to share with you guys some skincare mistakes that I have made in the past so that you don't repeat those in today's day and age. So I've been seeing a lot of people talk about their skincare mistakes, hair care mistakes and things like that all over the internet. इंस्टाग्राम खोलो तो आपको रील्स में वो दिख जाएगा, यूट्यूब पे आपको बहुत सारा कंटेंट मिल जाएगा उसके अराउंड. सो आई जस्ट थॉट दैट आई शुड ऑल्सो काइंड ऑफ डू माई वर्जन एंड शेयर विथ यू गाइज थिंग्स दैट आई हैव डन, मिस्टेक्स दैट आई हैव डन in the past so that you guys don't repeat those. Before we go into the video, make sure to hit the subscribe button because we're going to be having a lot of fun content coming up. PCOS updates आने वाले हैं, laser के updates आने वाले हैं. A lot of things are going to be coming up on my channel, so make sure that you're subscribed so that you do not miss out. Follow me on Instagram and I'm already talking to a lot of you guys over there. So in case you need any help or if you just want to talk, just feel free to drop by and let's be friends. So yeah, without further ado, let's get started with the video. First and foremost, let's start with the basics. So the very first mistake that I've done is not knowing how much sunscreen to apply या कितना amount adequate है for the face. So earlier I would just take my sunscreen, dot a little bit on my face and blend. ऐसे करके मैं बस छोड़ देती थी and I wouldn't really think more about it. But later I realized कि you need to use 1 tablespoon of sunscreen to your face. So इसका एक equivalent है that you use the 3-finger rule, which is basically तुम sunscreen लगाते हो equivalent to 3 fingers and you put it on your face and make sure that you blend it well to get the right protection. And जब आप ये कर रहे हो तो don't forget your neck area behind your ears, टेम्पल्स या हेयर लाइन. तो मेक श्योर कि आप पूरे फेस को इंक्लूडिंग द एक्सपोज्ड एरियाज विच इज़ योर नेक एंड ईयर्स आर ऑल्सो कवर्ड. सो हियर आई एम यूजिंग द डर्माको का टिंटेड सनस्क्रीन जो पता नहीं टिंट दिखता है बट व्हेन यू अप्लाई टू द स्किन इट्स लाइक नथिंग एंड दे से दैट इट्स अ जेल सनस्क्रीन बट मुझे तो काफ़ी मूजी टेक्सचर लगा इसका. बट अदर देन दैट द सन प्रोटेक्शन इज़ गुड, द फिनिश इज़ नाइस, आई डोंट माइंड द मूज टेक्सचर एंड यहाँ पर वट एवर लेफ्ट ओवर इज देयर आई जस्ट पुट इट ऑन माई हैंड एंड अदर एक्सपोज्ड एरियाज. The second mistake that I did was that I used too many actives together, thinking कि अगर मैं ज़्यादा यूज़ करूँगी तो फिर ज़्यादा मुझे रिजल्ट दिखेगा. So सबसे पहली बात तो you should never ever mix highly concentrated actives together. So vitamin C and salicylic acid do not go well together. Do not pair different actives together. The safest kind of acid that you can pair with anything is hyaluronic acid. वो तुम किसी के साथ भी pair कर लो, it is universal. You know, they say that timing is everything, so I would suggest that in a given 24-hour period, you try to stick to just using one potent active and that will be really efficient. And अगर आपको mix भी करना है तो make sure that you use like niacinamide or hyaluronic acid, just safe ingredients. So another mistake that I would do subconsciously is take my cream and warm it up too much between my palms and apply it to my skin. When I would do that, तो मतलब हर चीज़ तो हाथ में absorb हो जाती थी. There would be nothing that would go on my face. तो जो भी ingredients use हुए क्रीम में, for example यहाँ पर मैंने Pure Sense का पपाया क्रीम यूज़ किया है, वो तो already like skin के अंदर absorb हो चुका है, वो भी मेरे हाथ के, and there's nothing on my face. So I would suggest that you take the cream, you use the back of your finger, which is your nail, and you apply that cream all over your face, and then from there you blend to make sure that जो भी effectiveness है of that cream really works great for your face and your skin. On another side note, this cream has become my favorite thing in the morning. I love to slap this on my skin and just blend because you see how beautifully it just sinks into the skin. It delivers a nice glow. It's supremely lightweight and non-greasy and I love that about it. Another mistake that I've done is with the technique of using a jade roller. Earlier I would just go in random motions, whatever would give me the satisfaction that the product has sunk in well or whatever. But then later I realized that there is a way to do it and this is how you should. You take it in upward motion, you use the different sides for different parts of your face, and there's a full blown way to do this. So, understand that before you go ahead and use this on yourself. One more mistake that I've done is that I've layered products too quickly. मतलब पेशेंस लेवल तो था ही नहीं मेरे में, मुझे लगता है एक प्रोडक्ट लगा उसके बाद एक और लगा, उसके बाद एक और लगा, मतलब एक होता है 30 सेकंड ब्रेक भी नहीं देती थी मैं, वुड जस्ट लेयर एंड उससे अगर मैं ऐसे करती थी ना बाद में, लाइक आफ्टर आई वाज डन विद माय स्किन केयर, तो मुझे लिखता था कि यहाँ से ना कुछ तो निकल रहा है अजीब सा. This ajib sa thing is called pilling, and this happens when you layer products too quickly, as you can see right over here. Make sure that your products are absorbed into the skin and उसके बाद you layer. उसके बाद करना होता है आपको लेयर. Multiple ways to prevent pilling. सबसे पहले तो you make sure that you cleanse before. You make sure that you moisturize your skin and make sure that your skin is dry. Apply all the products gently and not too fast. Avoid over applying. Another mistake that I've done is that I have not adjusted my skincare routine basis the seasonal change and the weather change. So what I would do is I would just keep the same skincare products and use it जब तक वो पूरा ख़त्म नहीं हो जाता. But then later I realized कि you have to listen to your skin and give the skin what it demands for. So अभी winter season है, तो your skin needs that moisturization, nourishment and hydration. How to fix your skincare routine basis that. तो इस वजह से because मुंबई में भी सर्दियाँ हैं and I need my daily dose of hydration and nourishment, I've been using a lot of hyaluronic based products. So I specifically got the L'Oreal one during the Pink Friday sale that happened last year, and at the same time मैं जब थाईलैंड गई थी तो I got myself this hyaluronic lotion. Now hyaluronic अभी जाके इंडिया में बहुत popular हुआ and there have been brands that have been working towards this particular sort of ingredient in their products, but Japanese guys, they've been doing this since forever. Hada Lobo is a very popular Japanese skincare brand and उनके पास तो एक full range of hyaluronic products. So I got this. This is again पूरा Japanese में, so I'm not sure, but it's basically a lotion which is a little thicker than your serum, and I apply these and it really helps make a difference. And at the same time at night I also use a nice sleeping pack. Earlier I was using this Etude House Moistful Collagen sleeping pack, but now I'm testing a different product which is by Pure Sense, and after trying their cream, the papaya cream, which is literally now in my everyday skincare routine, my mom and I, we both love it. It's a very nice lightweight day cream. I thought of also giving their sleeping mask a shot. I really like the color of it. It's very nice and you know, like this nice aqua sea blue. It smells very fresh and I like to apply this at night. So this also gives me that nice, you know, hydration, and at the same time it has cucumber in it, which really helps with the making sure that my skin is calm. It's, you know, all the inflammation is gone and it's just very nice and hydrated. So I've been using this and I really like it first impression wise. This is something that I feel a lot of us keep secondary, where we do not change our skincare routine basis what our skin needs. So that is one massive mistake that I've done in the past as well. Also, please tell me that I'm not the only one who constantly keeps licking her lips. Please tell me in the comment section. So in order for me to stop doing that, because that darkens your lips, I bought this minimalist L-ascorbic acid based लिप ट्रीटमेंट. नाउ ये जो है काफ़ी कड़वा है, ठीक है गाइस, तो अगर तुमने इसको लिक किया तो इतना अजीब सा टेस्ट आता है, एकदम केमिकली और अजीब सा टेस्ट आता है, तो इस वजह से आई डोंट लिक माई लिप्स एट ऑल. सो आई मेक श्योर दैट वेन एवर यू नो आई एम अबाउट टू लिक माई लिप और समथिंग इज गोना हैपन, आई जस्ट लाइक apply this so that I do not go ahead and you know, kind of follow back on that habit. So this has been a game changer and I've really enjoyed it. I think it's made a difference as well. I have been regularly using this for the past 1 month and I really like this product. Just one thing, do not taste it. It will taste like chemicals and shit, so do not taste it, but it really does the job at, you know, brightening up the lip and just making sure that all the pigmentation that's there is a little reduced. So that's something that I've noticed with this product, and I hope you do not make this mistake of licking your lips ever again. Another major mistake that I made was using acne patches on dormant acne, thinking that it would magically make it disappear. Later I realized that acne patches are for active acne, especially ones जिसमें पस पड़ा रहता है. तो अगर आप उसको लगाओगे तो not only, you know, will you not pick on that acne, but at the same time वो सारे पस को निकाल के ड्राई कर देता है acne को, and it makes it better. So that's something that I realized, and मैंने test भी किया है with my body acne. So I'm going to put like images over here so that you can see how it looks like and वो कैसे निकालता है. It's going to be a little graphic, but I'm just going to show you the results that I later saw when I applied acne patches on actual acne and not this kind of acne mark wala non-existing sort of acne. Being the miser that I am, whenever I would get sheet masks, you know, which is technically a one-time use product, I would not use it one time. I would actually take the sheet mask, apply it, keep it on for 15 minutes as usual, keep it back inside, staple it or something and put it in like an airtight container ताकि serum इसके अंदर ही evaporate ना हो. So this way I would use this particular sheet mask not once, not twice but thrice also at times. And I later realized that इसमें we don't know but काफ़ी सारा bacteria और ये सब accumulate होता है. हम उसको literally जब इसे टाइट कंटेनर में रखते हैं या उसको हम यूज़ करते हैं तो वो बैक्टीरिया और ग्रो हो रहा है, उसको हम और रहने दे रहे हैं. एंड बेसिकली वी आर अप्लाइंग दैट अगेन ऑन आवर फेस एंड बॉडी विच इज़ नॉट वेरी हेल्दी. तो ये चिंदीगिरी करने में यू नो आई काइंड ऑफ कॉम्प्रोमाइज्ड माई स्किन एंड दैट्स व्हेन आई रियलाइज दैट यू नो आई शुड नॉट डू दिस एंड आई शुड जस्ट स्टिक टू व्हाट द इंस्ट्रक्शंस टेल यू विच इज़ टू यूज़ इट वंस. एंड जो भी एक्स्ट्रा सीरम एंड ऑल ऑफ दैट एट यू नो अप्लाई टू योर हैंड्स, टू योर लेग्स, यू नो ऑन योर बॉडी, wherever you want, on your face of course वो तो like by default है, but you can apply it on other parts of the body as well that need that kind of extra boost of you know some care. So that is something that I realized and ever since then I've changed that habit and now I use sheet mask only once and I do not reuse it multiple times on different occasions. Another sunscreen related mistake that I did was that I would just wear it once and I would let it be. Now I tend to reapply my sunscreen after, I can't say every 2 hours, usually तो मैं करना चाहिए but मैं आराम से 5-6 घंटे बाद करती हूँ, but I still do it. पहले मैं बिल्कुल भी नहीं करती थी, अब मैं आउटडोर जाने के पहले एटलीस्ट एक बार रीअप्लाई करती हूँ. सो आई हैव दिस सो ट्रू सनस्टिक विद मी. ये मेरे ट्रैवल पाउच में हमेशा होता है एंड it's just really easy, you know, you just take this, scroll it up and you just reapply sunscreen on the go. As you see इसमें white cast ये वो कुछ भी नहीं है, इसके ingredients भी काफ़ी सही है, थोड़ा सा fragrance है but that's fine, मतलब it does not irritate me and I really like it. मैंने इस पे एक shorts किया हुआ है already which you can check out on my channel and it's very 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 lightweight and literally just like blends in like that. And somewhere मुझे थोड़ा सा glazed look भी देता है which I really enjoy. So another mistake that I did was that I did not reapply sunscreen and I would suggest that you do not make that mistake. Make sure that you always have your sun block on. You know how all of us have this habit of over exfoliation and over cleansing of the skin. हमें लगता था कि अगर हम जितना ज़्यादा उसको क्लीन करेंगे, जितना ज़्यादा मेरा स्किन ड्राई रहेगा उतना ज़्यादा वो क्लीन हो गया है एंड जर्म्स से मुक्त हो गया है एंड इट इज़ एकदम क्रिस्टल क्लियर फॉर अ बेस. सो आई थिंक ये हमने काफ़ी बड़ी मेजर मिस्टेक की है वेयर वी थॉट दैट ऑल ऑफ दिस वुड लीड टू समथिंग विच इज़ गुड फॉर द स्किन बट वो आपके स्किन को ड्राई एंड फ्लेकी बनाता है, रैश लाइक टेक्सचर आ सकता है, ब्रेकआउट्स हो सकते हैं, इरिटेशन हो सकता है, इन्फ्लेमेशन हो सकता है, रेडनेस हो सकता है, कुछ भी हो सकता है विद ओवर एक्सफोलिएशन. बट हमने पहले कभी ध्यान ही नहीं दिया. सो दिस इज़ वन मेजर मिस्टेक दैट आई डिड. आई वुड वॉन्ट यू ऑल टू अवॉइड इट. एंड सबसे बड़ी बात, ऐसा नहीं हो कि क्लेंजिंग के बाद आप क्ले मास्किंग करो, क्ले मास्किंग के बाद आप केमिकल एक्सफोलिएशन करो. तो ये सब जो भी चीज़ें हैं, ठीक है, इतने ज़्यादा एक्सफोलिएंट्स, इतना ज़्यादा क्लेंजिंग, हमारा स्किन है वो कपड़ा नहीं है जो हम उसको डिटर्जेंट के साथ धोए जा रहे हैं. ठीक है, सो वी हैव टू मेक श्योर दैट वी ट्रीट आवर स्किन जेंटली, treat your skin like she in itself is a princess and really you know take care of her. So yeah, you guys, this was it for the video. I hope you guys found it informative and helpful. If you did, then don't forget to hit the like button and also subscribe to my channel. If you have any other questions or if you want me to do any specific videos, then feel free to comment that down as well in the comment section and I cannot wait to see you soon. Please take care. I love you and I hope you have a wonderful, beautiful year ahead. Thank you.